Hey guys, let me introduce you to my farmhouse. So, in this farmhouse, first we put in a sheep. Now, where does the sheep live? Sheep lives in a pen. So, go sheep, go in the pen. Next, we have a cow. Let's put in the cow in a shed. Let him rest in the shed right now. Wait, he needs a friend. How about we put in a buffalo? A buffalo can work well as a friend. The buffalo also lives in a shed. Next, we have the goat. A goat lives in also like small barns areas. It likes to eat leaves and water, so let's give him some water. Next, we have a donkey, and the donkey can live with us well. Then we need a guard for this barn house, so we can put in 2 dogs. These dogs like to live in a kennel and guard us. So as you can see right now, our barn is pretty nice. So let's put in some cars here, and we can put in the little baby baby dogs and cats. Look at them, they're so cute. Baby cows, baby goats. Let's let them play for a bit. Let's let them play.